How do Mercedes wheel spacers work on your G-Class? Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring strategic safety of the vehicle. The last of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame to help assembly all the suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with both Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory for the highest security and are full of more than 66 SGS and QE test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm. BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material is its aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent patchiness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standard, the sheet spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough. It will default and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS forged active cooling G-Class wheel spacers are designed with heat distribution grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed into the shape, these screws allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the proper form actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as outleters which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, the BONOSS forged active cooling G-Class wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.